What's up, guys? I got some new fidget spinners. Not this one. No, not that one. I mean, I got this one, guys. I got this one. It's a cool one. Yep. This one's not really new. So, all of these right here are mine, and here are my sisters.
First, I got this one, which is an orange. Then I got a pink one.
Metallic.
Metallic one.
And
Then
show them, spin it for them.
Okay.
Show them.
Then I got this one.
Spin it.
Then I got
The
a Batman.
Show him.
This is how it looks like. This is how it spins.
Yep. These are all our fidget spinners. And see you
And
guys.
this one?
And see you guys later.
Later.